Hello, everybody. Welcome to our second science experiment we're doing for Dr. Stone. And this time we'll be doing Chrome's experiment called Rainbow Bridge.
Yes. So Chrome did this in episode 7, and he's basically was trying to impress Senku with his magic. Um, and it's pretty simple experiment. He throws salt, copper, and I think sulfur into the fire in the episode trying and like basically makes colored flames like with
Yeah,
the reaction. Um and so we did the same.
sort
Uh
of.
we tried to do the same. Okay, we tried. You know what I realized? Oh, you know what? We never threw table salt in because we didn't have
Yeah,
any.
that's right.
The one
Oh,
thing that
well.
like we could easily get our hands on. Um yeah, so when we did it, so the we threw boric acid into the fire, which is the roach away. Um, and that was supposed to make it turn green. We also threw borax in, which it was supposed to be yellow green. And then Epsom salt, which was magnesium sulfate, and it was supposed to turn the fire white. And then we also threw in sodium carbonate, which Megan had left over from when we made soap, and that was supposed to like turn it a yellow color. Um, so the first, well, do we want to go like the first one we did or
Well, the first one we did was the one that wasn't even on the list, which was my sodium, what, carbonate? Yeah,
carbonate?
sodium carbonate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yep.
and it kind of turned a more intense yellow.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, at least we think so. Did you rewatch the video and see?
No, but
Okay. It looked like it
The
did.
video will
Um,
explain everything.
yes. And then for like all of the other ones,
Nope.
it didn't
Does.
work. I
Uh-uh.
We thought maybe so we just like threw the powder directly into the fire, but it was like on a plate. And so for one of them I remember, I think it was the boric acid. We were like, "Oh, the plate like where it was burning." We thought it maybe looked green,
But
but
we didn't know if it was the dye in the plate reacting with the flame or if it was actually the chemicals.
yeah, yeah. So that's a tentative, maybe it worked, but not really. Basically, we didn't see anything.
Nope.
So then at the end, you'll see we threw in, wait, did we got a video of it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. We threw in like a fire packet that's actually like meant to change the color of the fire, and it looked great. It reminded me of Calcifer
Yeah.
from Howl's Moving Castle. Um, and so did it work? No.
No.
Would we do it again? No, because
I didn't
all
really
it
know
didn't
how.
seem it didn't seem like all that safe when we were throwing things in. Like it was kind of like, should we be breathing this in when it's burning? Although, like, I think overall, I think it was okay, just because
Yeah.
they wouldn't like there would be like, don't throw this into the fire, you know, warnings, and there
We
was
were
like none of that.
outside
Yeah, I know
in
we
the
were
open
outside
air.
too. Um,
But not only, ladies and gentlemen, did we proceed to throw it into the fire and breathe in the smoke, we also roasted marshmallows over the same fire and ate them.
we didn't die. We didn't we are fine. And like we waited a little bit. We like tried to like some of the powder was like still in the fire, so we were
We
trying to like make
stirred up
sure
the
it got like
coals.
burned up. It was fine. It was fine.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm
no one was
invincible
injured.
now.
We're gonna get superpowers or cancer. Um,
Oh, gee.
so I think like it didn't work, but maybe it could have worked. Like I think there was other factors like maybe the heat of the fire, and then also like the amount of substance, even though we did throw a lot in if you see the video. And then also like how you throw it in as well, because we just like threw the powder directly into the fire, but
It might have snuffed
um
it, honestly.
yeah, there was like also other things we could have done where you like mix it up, mix the whatever substance like in water or alcohol, and then dip like paper or pine cones, and then let that dry, and then throw those into the fire. Um, and then there was one other method that they recommended. I can't remember what it was now, but basically, maybe we could have gotten it to work. We just like we're under a bit of a time crunch, so we had to do the
Panicked.
yeah, time crunch as in we didn't plan until the night we did it. Um so anyway, with all of that being said, it was a fun experiment. Feasibility of the experiment, we gave it like a 7 out of 10 because well, one, it's pretty easy to do. I just think we probably needed to do some troubleshooting and like figure out the best way to do it. And then practicality, 2 out of 10, just because making colored fire not very useful.
Yes.
Unless
But
you just want your fire to look pretty.
yeah, it's cool. But if you want to know what did work, so the fire color, the actual packets that we bought from the store that really changed the fire color that worked really well. I looked on the package and the details said that it's primarily made up of cuprite. I think that's how you say it, which is a soft, heavy red oxide mineral. That's an important ore of copper. So, and Chrome did throw copper into the fire, so that worked.
Yeah. So it was fun to try, but it didn't work all that well for us.
No. Our experiments are kind of hitting duds here.
Yeah, but we're also like, I don't know, we're kind of lazy because science requires a lot of thoughtfulness and like planning and troubleshooting to like actually get something to work. And we're just like, hey, let's just do this in one
La-di-da.
night and see if it works.
Haha.
Um, so yeah, but it was fun.
Ready?
Yep.
This is boric acid. We want green flames. I put a lot on this plate. Oh, shoot.
Did you get burned?
No,
Okay.
it just popped on my hand. But, same diff.
Maybe we don't have any more
Oh,
newspaper.
wait, okay.
Oh,
The plate is
interesting.
turning greenish, but that could be the dye. That could be the dye.
I don't know.
Partial success.
Yeah.
I still think it might be the dye of the plate, though.
Really? Because we already throw. Oh, we're throwing in another orange one, so we'll see.
Okay. I mean, the yellow has a bit of a tinge to it.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of see.
Cool. I think that maybe kind of worked.
Yeah, not as green though as we hoped.
Yeah. Okay. Now that there's just powder in the fire.
This one is magnesium sulfate and it's Epsom salt. It should turn white. So I'm just going to start by throwing in just one pine cone. It has a little bit of it on it. Yeah, don't breathe it in.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to throw in the whole plate now.
Here we go. Wait for.
Here.
Wait, here it comes.
Oh.
Here it comes. It's. Whew. I'm not sure what
Here,
white
it's
flames
like-
would
it's like-
actually look like.
It's like making sounds. Do you hear that?
Yeah. It's melting. I mean,
Oh,
the
cool.
salt is melting. Like I said, I'm not sure what white flames exactly, like how they appear.
Huh.
This might not be as good. Kind of waiting for it to explode or something.
Right? I'm going to stand back a little bit.
maybe you could dump the cup in.
Yeah, I'm gonna dump it. It's not even like that part's like not even burning.
No, it's bubbling. It's like caramelizing, which is kind of cool.
It's like putting out wherever I'm dumping it on. It's like putting it out. Okay, I'm gonna dump it over here. So please. It is salt because like when you dump like, aren't you supposed to like dump salt on like grease fires? Is that what it is?
That might be it. Yeah, I don't suppose it's gonna work.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay, well that one kind of
That
bombed.
one is a bust. It is borax and it's supposed to be yellow green.
Don't see anything.
Kind of like it's like around where like the it's
Oh, it's
actually
foaming.
burning.
It's like foaming up. Okay. Smoke has a weird smell to it.
Don't breathe it in.
Trying not to.
We're all gonna die.
I don't want to hear that from a person who used UV resin without any gloves or a respirator on.
Oh, you're right. It does have a stinky smell. All right, I'm gonna do this where this is the plate test to see if it's green.
Yeah.
Let me burn it. Should I put it in like right here, maybe?
Yeah. Slow burn. Oh. Here we go. I think there is still a green tinge to the plate as it burns.
Yeah, but this is also yellow green. So.
That smell.
Wow. People are gonna be like, what are you doing in that jar?
Science, that's what.
Yep.
Well, let's see what it does when it actually gets to the powder. I feel
I
like
think
most of the
it's
powder
like
just
not even-
fizzles. It just
yeah.
fizzles out.
It's like not even actually burning.
Maybe we
It's just-
needed a way hotter fire for this sort of thing.
Maybe. I would say this one is less impressive than the borax.
Your stick's on fire. Oh. Whew. Yeah.
Stinky. Doesn't smell bad, but just like smells like something that
Strong.
I shouldn't be breathing in.
Word of caution if you want to do this at home.
Don't.
Adult supervision.
We're adults.
Here we are. We should be supervised though.
Nah, I only burned myself once. It makes a nice sound.
It looks cool when it's like hardened.
Mhm.
Like
Oh, you're right.
a lump. A burnt lump. Okay, this is sodium carbonate and pine cones. We don't know what color this one's gonna be, if any. Ah!
I have no idea. We have no idea what color this is supposed to be.
Maybe it's just more intense orange.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
I don't want to stuff it out with the powder.
Yeah.
But maybe if I did this and toss the plate in.
Yeah, try that.
Okay, here we go. That failed miserably. I got nervous. At least the plate will burn and then I'll feel to the fire. I might just have to scrap this one. Yellow.
Oh,
It's yellow.
yeah.
Pretty.
There's gonna be quite a few. Yeah, it is. Nice.
Can you tell we have no clue what we're doing?
What? I think I inhaled some of that. Now we have it's called Color Flame. so this should actually change the color of the fire.
Oh, that's so cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's bluish greenish. That's pretty.
I even see a little bit of white in there.
Well, hallelujah, at least something worked.
Yay! Rainbow flames. We got it.
Rainbow Bridge.
Oh yeah.
He calls it Rainbow Flames later in the show, though.
So pretty. I love it.
Well, we'll be back for the next experiment. Until then, wait with bated breath and hope that we actually make this one work.